Yes.
And Singapore.
Singapore.
Not Manila.
No Manila. Later.
But who will conduct the
Conduct with us.
in Manila? In Manila.
Anyone you send to? Anyone you send to us because our network you send to email Singapore,
Thank you.
Thank you.
China, and this was
Oh.
If you vessel worldwide the journey, you can go with many ports and do all the technical service, and do servicing,
Safety radio, safety equipment,
safety, and the
also ship supply.
Yes.
Wait lang.
One-stop solutions we do.
Your diver underwater is also class A.
Any class.
Yes, any class we want.
Any class.
Any class.
Because any country, not only the one place.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Hope to hear from you.
Pwede po.
Okay.
Pwede na doon? Okay, it's already open.
Who open?
今天终于来了，这是今天来了有4、5个，
对，
给我们抓住。
It's already open. We should go there.
吃东西，你去。来。
Yeah. Yay. Woo, woo.
Like daddy bringing the daughter go and eat food.
Yes. You are my father.
Singapore father.
My father from another mother.
Same father, different mother.
Yeah, same father, different. Today I found the father.
What drinks you want? You want soft drinks?
Apo.
Yes.
Here?
You want a soft drinks?
Yeah, sure. Thank you po. Sabi sa inyo, mahal ako ng lahat. Ayan. That's okay, you can go ahead. Battery health refill sa 20.
Stay here. You go take your food.
Okay, thank you po.
Go see what they want. Just take from me.
When uli kami magkikita? Hindi ko alam eh. I don't know eh.
You gotta go and queue. After that, people jump queue.
Yeah.
You just do a sausage bread for me.
Okay.
And then the rest you can take yourself.
Okay po. I have a father. Dati ulilan ako guys. Charet. Mag-taste test tayo ng mga pagkain dito. Guys, hindi ako makapag-picture. Screenshot niyo na lang. Ang ginawa ko di kumain. All I did today was eat. I ate a lot today.
I know.
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors. Please join us for the discussion of Back to the Future or Forward to the Past, presented by Mr. Gerardo Ezequiel Vigo of Versacraft Corporation. Happening now at the conference.
Shopee lang yan, Ben. Nasa 70 to 100 pesos lang yung dress.
Followed by Mr. Dave Berry of Marine Control and Autonomy LTD. For the discussion of autonomous
Rate ko,
vessels and development of
yung food.
remote monitoring and
This is
control
good.
of vessels.
That's good. I'll try this. I'll try this. Ay, sorry. Thank you po.
You want some more?
Sugar.
Huh?
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors. Please join us for the discussion of Back to the Future or Forward to the Past, presented by Mr. Gerardo Ezequiel Vigo of Versacraft Corporation. Happening now at the conference area located at Hall 1, followed by Mr. Dave Berry of Marine Control and Autonomy LTD. For the discussion of autonomous vessels and development of remote monitoring and control of vessels.
Bigyan mo na lang sa kanya yung ano kay
Once again,
Oh, you got one too. Try
please
it.
join us
You say it's
for the
nice.
discussion of Back to the Future or Forward to the Past. Presented by Mr. Gerardo Ezequiel Vigo of Versacraft Corporation. Happening now at the conference area located at Hall 1.
Very nice.
Followed by Mr. Dave Berry of Marine Control and Autonomy LTD.
Sausage
For
bread,
the
8
discussion
out
of
of 10.
autonomous vessels and development of remote monitoring and
This
control
one.
of vessels. Thank you.
I like this better.
You don't eat tomato?
I don't. Do you want?
Oh, you don't eat?
No, I don't like. Hindi ako makain ng kamatis, guys. Ay, nard. Bakit na naman nard? You said you will drink 5 of this.
No, not today lah. Yeah. I'm about to work.
What I drink?
Marine Control and Autonomy Ltd. or MCA, kindly proceed to the conference area. We would like to call on the attention of Mr. Zane
many
Berry
people now?
of Marine Control and Autonomy
Almost
Ltd. or
500.
MCA, kindly proceed to the conference area. We are also calling the attention of Mr. Gino Pia. Kindly proceed to the conference area. Once again, we would like to call on the attention of Mr. Zane Berry
looking for
and
you.
Mr. Gino Pia.
They say hi,
Kindly
sir.
proceed to the conference
Hi,
area.
sir.
Hello.
They said you're my Singaporean father. This is my favorite. It is like canny, crab sticks, mango, dressing, and then lettuce. You want?
Thank you.
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors. Please join us for the discussion of Back to the Future or Forward to the Past. Presented by Mr. Gerardo Ezequiel Rigon of Versatron Operations.
I was having me though. Ay,
Happening
Miss
now at the
Christine.
conference area, located at Hall 1.
your miss
Followed by Mr. Zane
I don't
Berry
know.
of Marine
He loves
Control
eating,
and
but he doesn't
Autonomy
get fat.
Ltd.
Yeah.
That's
For
not
the
fair.
discussion of autonomous vessels and development of remote monitoring and control vessel systems. Once again, please join us
You wanna
for
drink?
the discussion of
I
Back
don't
to the
drink
Future
beer.
or Forward to the
Drink
Past.
whiskey.
I drink.
Presented by
My first time I drink whiskey was
yes,
last night. But because Miss Christine asked me to do so.
Happening
I
now
only
at the
drink
conference
normal
area,
wine.
located at Hall 1. Followed by Mr. Zane Berry of Marine Control and Autonomy Ltd. For the discussion of autonomous vessels and development of remote monitoring and control of vessel systems. Thank you.
Do we go back now?
Later, never mind. You can still talk some more. You can do some more.
Are you gonna talk to people?
Nah. Christine is there. Yeah, not
You're A.
Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.
Grabe ka, bloated ko na.
Okay. See you.
Kain pa.
You can hear what you say.
Yeah.
Have you asked Sir Andrew to do the TikTok already?
Yeah.
Are you doing a TikTok video with us?
Ayun eh. Nung nakita ko, sabi ko,
Ito, si Miss mag-TikTok
ay,
pa kayo
sige
ni
ka.
Yuki.
tayo? Sige po, ito. Hi, Ate Epang.
Please, ito patungin na lang.
Sige po. Elbows is out. Kuya Wilmer, gusto mo sa'yo na lang?
Super busog na kasi I'll just have a
Papabas out ko lang.
You still want to eat?
No? Hindi sa akin yan.
Sa akin yan. Ay, sorry, kumuha na pala ito.
Do you finish your chicken rice? You don't waste my money. You make sure you eat.
Dan,
Next time you must take photograph for me and show.
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors.
Hey, the chicken very nice. I don't even eat.
When I eat, it's not enough.
For
I
the
eat
happy
more.
hour from 3 o'clock
they're the same. They love eating but they don't get fat.
Enjoy the free beers
Kayo,
and
pwede kayong maging mukbang party.
But she eat very little also.
She eats a lot.
Once again,
Is
we
it?
would like
Yeah,
to
but like
inform
every 2
you
hours
that
she needs to
lunch
eat.
is now open.
Every 2
For the
hours.
happy hour from
Ano siya?
3
Ang pesto.
to 6 o'clock p.m. Enjoy the free beers and
Hi,
You
Nabi.
see? Who is the speaker? Who's the speaker just now?
Thank you.
There?
Ah.
I didn't attend. I attend upstairs.
Depende po kahit kailan o lang. Kahit anong oras
Philippine and
lang.
French government.
Because I want to introduce the president of the Superintendent Association to you.
Okay, where?
He's there. Ray.
In
You
the
know him
event?
what? Who? Ray.
Ray Sakyo.
Ah.
Si Ray Sakyo.
Thank you, Ate
He
Eva.
he will be
Thank you,
presenting
Ninang.
tomorrow. Though they're at room 5 already.
Tara. We go upstairs.
Yeah. Very nice guy.
I was there in room 5. But
Hi, Gwenna.
some customer already
Good afternoon,
visited our
visitors
booth, so I
and
went
visitors.
downstairs.
Please join us for the discussion of class
I
want-
teachers or
I want to arrange a dinner with him and you all. Decided today. Today you free?
To confirm.
Because either decided today or tomorrow.
Because tonight,
Followed by Mr. Dave.
somebody invited us.
Okay, then I try for tomorrow.
Are you flying to Singapore tomorrow?
No. I'm flying on the 26th. Because I might go down to Cavite
Once again,
We're in Cavite.
please join us
by Monday. Monday.
Monday you'll be going.
Yeah, go to Cavite to see some people. See Ray.
No, he's coming back next month.
No. Next month I'm going to Jakarta.
Okay.
Jakarta got exhibition. You wanna go?
followed by
I'm not sure.
Or go Thailand.
Next month.
Thailand October.
October. Next week, I have many activities here. We go to Marina for flag ceremony.
Actually, I got house for you, but you must sleep in the bathroom
Why?
because Danny got a big house there.
But
Kuya Wilmar, I love Thailand. I love Cubao.
You want to go?
She never been to outside the country.
really?
Yeah.
You got passport or not?
I love
got a passport.
Okay. I arranged for
I love
that.
Cubao.
I arranged
She'll be
October for
enrolling
you.
this week.
Yeah, let's go to Thailand.
Thailand is actually good. Like 10 years advance in Manila.
Good food.
Good food. Yeah. And the transportation
Sawadee
very
ka.
easy compared.
And cannabis.
Yeah.
But that is in October 18
Yeah.
to 21st, I think. October 18.
Nakalimutan ko next week pala puntang LU.
Oh, you'll be going to LU. Pupunta nga siya dun sa resort ng friend ko. Ay, sa...
It's a ways that you will never go to Posidonia. It's so beautiful. Yes.
After
The
2 years.
exhibition is so good. Anytime better than here.
After 2 years, I go.
Yeah. After 2 years, I
That's for
retired
sure.
already.
Why?
Why?
Good
Don't.
afternoon, visitors and
Not
Because
yet.
my daughter say I must retire. I'm Singapore daddy.
Kasi mga nanonood ko na live, parang tatay ko na daw siya.
presented by Mr. Gerardo Ezequiel Nico of Versa
You should go Greece and visit. It's very good.
happening now at the
Fantastic.
area.
The crowd, I tell you, you can't even walk, man.
Followed by Mr. Dave Ferry of Marine Control.
That's okay. After 2 years, I go.
Yeah. But you must stay in the apartments, lah. Don't stay in the hotels. I stay in the apartments only probably about I think it's about $60 US with cooking facilities.
After 2 years, I go to Posidonia. I will also go to Paris. I have friend there.
Maybe I retired.
France is France. Good to France twice.
Of Marine Control.
Totoo.
Dunkirk and Paris.
For the discussion of
Perks of going on board.
So I have a friend there. He's F&B director in some hotel.
I arrange with Stanley. Maybe I'll let you know later.
Later we go swimming, then going to bar.
Are you swimming? Where?
Where?
You want to wear bikini?
Well, with my friends.
Your friend, what for? You want to swim?
I don't know how to swim.
She doesn't know how to swim. She doesn't play any sports.
I walk on water.
That's so bad. But I play a lot of sports.
I just like running. I run a
She
lot.
jogs almost every day.
Ah,
She do
pwede
a
na
lot.
yun.
But she's always sick.
I'm sick of the people. Susuntukan ko to sa mukha eh.
I always, you know something or not about me? I always bully her one. She's my good sister. I always look after her.
After he joke to me, he will feed me.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go back. You
Rush
enjoy
of
yourself. Okay, see you later.
See you, Sir Andrew.
Bye.
I'll follow in a while. I go.
Tapos free time na kasi. Itong yung 3 to 6 parang happy hour na.
Stress ko.
So until 6. Sir Joey, may friend sila doon. Doon sa dulo, tinuturo nga tayo. Ano ba kayo miss yung laptop niyo?
Kaya nga, parang kinabahan ka kasi nakausap niya na yung sinasabi sa'yo
Kuya,
pumunta sa
pwede
bus
ko,
namin.
pwede ko yung magala ako, like, ikot ako.
Ano ba? Mag-shopping ka ba sa booth?
Hindi. Yung pera.
Once again, we would like to call on the attorney, Mr. Vito Diaz.
Thank you po. Sorry. So guys, come with me. Gala, 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 gala. Gala, gala tayo. Oh, thank you. Wow, so pretty. Guys, mahilig ako sa pearls. Wala lang. Pero mahal eh. So, hi ma'am. Hello. Thank you po. Thank you. So pretty. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung parking ko. Dito ko pinapark yung mga sasakyan ko. Oo, pag wala ako magawa, ito yung mga pinagkakagalan ko. Pero right now kasi I decided to park. So, yeah. And guys, kung hindi nyo na itatanong, kakabili ko lang kahapon kasi yesterday I was so bored. Na-realize ko, parang gusto ko maggala. Yan, parang gusto ko mag-sightseeing. Parang gusto ko makakita ng mga tilapia sa Pasig River. So, I decided to get this. Yeah. But parang, sabi ko, I'm tinatamad today. So, pinark ko muna siya. Naya ako guys, may mga ano dito, may mga Philippine Coast Guard sila yung nagtatanggol sa atin, diba, doon sa West Philippine Sea. Like, kanina pa ako, tango ako ng tango sa kanila, like, hiyang-hiya ako. Like, guys, sobrang taas ng respeto ko sa kanila to the point na hello po! Nag-iikot lang po. Hello po!
Ganda-ganda niya, paano ko malilimutan niya?
Salamat po.
Oh my God, this is Yuki.
Hello po. Hello po, nice to meet you po. I'm just walking around po. Balik po ako.
For the discussion of AI hours, data collection, enhancing accuracy and efficiency
mababawasan yung mga alaga ko.
Presented by Mr. Nick Berry, Marine Patrol
Guys, kung sila, meron silang Hot Wheels. Sorry guys, ito kasi yung sa akin.
located at Hall 1.
Yan yung sa akin.
Followed by Mr. Gina
Charit.
from 360 for the discussion of AI-powered data collection, enhancing accuracy, efficiency, and real time.
Tubig nilang chill lang 2 hours na.
Guys, ito pala yung pinakabago ko na Lego.
Tayo merong
Sige guys, ang sayo. Ngayon ko lang kasi naligo to. Catamaran vessels. Oh, kaya pala hindi ako sinisipag.
This is just, can we take a picture with you?
Ah, sure.
Sir Arvin. Sir Arvin.
Picture ako kayo.
Hello.
Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba?
Sure po.
Ah, sir, dyan ka. Ay, thank you. Thank you. Ikaw na mismo. Here, please.
Ah, okay.
Sa gitna ka na. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
po. Ah, no. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you. So cute.
Hello ma'am. Brochure po ma'am. Hotel po ba kayo?
Thank you.
May number ako dyan.
Ah, sure po.
Ma'am, meron ako number dito.
Ah, sige.
Pag ano, kailangan mo kausap.
Dito na lang.
Salamat.
Sir, thank you for the picture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Gusto mo pa massage ng paa?
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Ano ba si Miss Rose?
Pagbalik na lang.
Pero though, we can try after.
Guys,
Wala po si Miss Rose. Umuwi na. Miss ano ba?
mamassage ako,
Ay,
mamassage
nasa
ako.
labas eh. Sige, balikan na lang namin si Miss Ami doon.
Thank you.
Saan ka nakaikot na?
Doon pa lang po. Dito first time po.
Yun yung back mo. Alin tayo sa phone?
Sir, ang sakit.
Hindi, inaayaw kami sa sa Jakarta ba o Thailand ni Sir Ano?
Gusto ko na ako ampunin eh.
Ay, Miss Lika, kilala ko lang po. Ay, pamangkin ko.
Wala pa.
Just also working. Taga Paranaque.
Ah,
Nag-miss Paranaque.
nakikita ko siya.
Oo.
Pinapost ko siya.
Salamat po.
Dati siya taga-Tambo. Eh, di ba yung office niyo po San Antonio?
San Isidro.
San Isidro. Yun yung office niya naman.
Salamat po.
Dito, ikot-ikot lang. Sir Gary. So, kayo yung sensei sana, ipapatry ko sa'yo.
Try natin po kuya pagbalik niya. Gusto ko matry. Yung talaga yung pinunta. Guys, another Lego set of mine.
Uy, Lego set.
Lego set. Sir, ang sakit. Hindi na ako na-ring light. Nalaglag pa din
Akin
tayo.
na nga tong...
Yeah, thank you.
Doon sa Korean na. Meron kasi dito. Korean. Ito yung mga main mga generators na ito. Super.
I guess pag nalulubat ako, yan yung generator ko.
Pero kamusta? Ay, ito ba yun o iba?
Iba po.
At least, pero yun may charge ata yung na dalawa. Bukas na tayo mo. Bukas magpunta tayo sa mga. Kasi chances pa, hindi na magdadala yan ng mga items. So ipapamigay na nila yung mga.
Guys, ito pala yung inflatable pool ko. Ay, hindi pala to pool. Ay, pool. Sorry. Guys, ito pala yung pang-workout ko. Sa mga nagtatanong na workout routine, ito yung barbell ko. Yung dumbbell ko, guys. Anyway, ano ba pala ipapakita sa inyo? Guys, di ba ito yung Tagalog ng drawing? Okay, edi wag. Ganyan kayo, di nyo ako sinusuportahan.
Kamusta naman si Sir Andrew? Okay naman kayo?
Okay naman po. Nakanta ko na baon talang buhay ko. Wow! Ano to, PPE?
Personal protective equipment. So, ito yung mga
Oh, gosh!
yung mga mask na yan.
Galing!
Ito mga steel plate something. Mga steel ropes sila, mga alloy kits.
Father!
Sir Andrew.
Bagod na yun siya.
Okay.
I'll just... Okay.
Ay, visit tayo dun sa booth ni Majap. Papakilala lang kita dun sa mga taga-Pasca.
Nino?
Ni Majap, ni Pas Majap.
Di ba yun yung sa ABS?
Ano yun?
Sino?
Majap? Ano yun?
Si Madja Salvador.
Nakaka-stress. Saka hindi na siya ABS. Hindi na siya ABS.
Masabay siya sa utak.
Si Keratin.
Keratin.
Mga shipyard
sorry.
yan. So sila yung sa mga area nila.
Ay, napakita ko na to sa kanila kasi sabi ko, this is my parking.
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors. Please join us for the discussion of autonomous vessels and development of remote monitoring and control of vessels presented by Mr.
Ah, ito pala, dumating na pala yung chinek out ko na ring light.
Followed by Mr. Tino Villa of Commonwealth for the discussion of AI-powered data collection.
Guys, pupunta ako doon sa mall, yung Venice Grand Canal. Ito yung sasakyan ko.
Once again, please join us for the discussion of autonomous vessels and development of remote monitoring and control of vessels.
Ano pa po?
Presented by Mr. James
Ito,
Lee of
natry mo na itong
Marine
akit.
Control
Pwede mo
and
check.
Autonomous
Pwede?
LTD.
Of course, this is mine.
Happening now at the conference area located at Mall followed by Mr. Gino.
Pwede na ako mamasada.
Ano nila, yung sa mga inflatable islands, yung mga yung mga rides nila doon.
Oh, welcome to my...
Jet ski yun to.
Jet ski po yun eh, nabukulan ako.
And how about this one?
Hindi ko pa na-try.
5-seater.
Ay.
Ito yung nila, nakikita mo sa...
100,000? Tuition ko na to eh. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
This one.
Bakit?
Ito. Mas mura, 6-seater.
99,000. Naglalokohan tayo dito.
Ito yung mga
Of course. I wouldn't buy this if it's not maganda. Right? Oh my God. Kuya, you know my type. Kuya?
Ito ko siya i-check sa taas. Yes po.
Talaga po. Shalamets.
Ito tour
Ay,
na namin.
libre to pagkain?
Ay, hindi. Pwede tayo magtanggal.
Po?
Ay, no shoes. Ah, yung magtanggal na.
Oy, ako magtatanggol talaga ako ng sapatos. So, ayan guys. So, tatanggal ako sa sapatos sa nakapaan ako. Yes.
Dahan-dahan na.
Kasi pa ako nakapa... Oh my gosh, kuya. Ako to si Jezebel. Dito ako magkakaroon ako ng Titanic moment. Sakay na kayo, guys. Yeah. Yeah. May kubaw lang, yeah. Bawa na po kayo. Ilan to? Estudyante? Oh, tila, walang bababa dyan. Mahuli tayo. 8, estudyante. 8 lang. Yan. Kabiasnan. Oh, sige, baba. Every night. Tapos dito naman ako, meron akong Kelsey Merit moment. Wait lang. Wait lang. Do. Wala ko sa gitna. Wala. Charot. Okay na yun. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Kakabili ko lang na to. Cash siya. Cash na tig to 25 cents. Charot. Ito talaga yung babayaran mo dito. Oh. Wala yung power bank ko. Iiwan ko pa. Wait lang guys. Edit nyo to. Edit yung ano. Yung there's ocean eyes, no fear. Okay. 1. Wait lang. Saba. Okay. One more. And those ocean eyes. Wait lang. Depende na lang doon kung saan doon yung part na kukunin nyo. Ako na po ako, kuya. Yes po. Kuya, stop the boat. Charot.
Yung ano, sapatos.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, nakalito ka pa kasi.
Opo.
The Oscar Win transfers will now resume.
Kuya,
And the
magkano po to?
7.9M.
The following investment and trade agency.
Alaw. Thank you po.
Guys, 7.9M, bili na ba natin? Press 2 kung yes.
Oh, guys, ngayon tayo mag-fundraising. Lahat tayo sasakay.
Press 2 kung bibili na namin, 7.9M. sa ano, sa isang event, dun sa September sa October 1 and 2.
Ito nga po yung ano, Lego. Favorite ko to Lego na binabili ko to guys. Ito yung instruction ng Lego na ano ko. Yung instruction ng Lego na bibilin ko. Ano po yun kuya?
Sa isang event sa September 30 hanggang October 1 and 2. Ito mga reason kung bakit siya nakaganyan kasi yung barko di ba nagtitil gumaganon, so yung center of gravity niya nalilipat kaya siya nakapagganyan kasi sa barko dahil sa
Hala, hindi pa ganyan. Hindi ba humampas yung ulo niya after?
hindi kailangan nila i-balance sa sarili, pero ito yung pinaka-favorite kong photo.
Parang ang sakit.
Sandstorm.
Wow!
Amazing, no? Pakita mo sa kanila yun.
Ang galing guys.
As in perfectly shot, sandstorm sa Macy
Ang linaw nung pagkakakuha.
Alam mo mga kasino, isa yung sa mga ano.
What?
Ito rin perfectly shot to. Tingnan mo. Saka yung light.
Ay, ang ganda na to guys. It's giving Thor.
So, lahat seaman na photo na ito. Kasi sila, nag-invest na rin sila. Kasi syempre, isa sa mga hobbies na nila yan.
Ganito si Nard guys pag nag-outing.
Sinard na naman. That is one of. Ito yung binababa namin pag nasa barko. Pag nagka-cargo hold cleaning.
Nakakatakot. Ayoko. Nakakatakot. Para ako magta-Titanic.
Kasi hindi ka pa rin nakapag-barko, no?
Hindi po.
Saan nga natin yun? Alam mo kung gusto mo magbasilan?
What is
Basilan
Basilan?
is sa southernmost part ng Mindanao. So, doon, pero
Check ko na to. Gusto ko to i-check kanina pa pero alam ko mahal eh. So hindi ko na tinuloy. Guys, you're so pretty.
oo, kasi mga South Sea Pearl pala to.
Cute.
South Sea Pearl.
Gusto ko earrings.
Eto, may another massage. Would you like? Siya po, gusto daw ko.
Pwede po i-try. Guys, panoorin niyo ako magpamassage.
Washable din kasi siya.
Hindi yan, ako mag-video sa'yo.
Tanggalin niya na lang sa isa.
And then, tapos po, welcome to Enchanted Kingdom.
Ano mo, kasi even yung arms mo, ilalagay
Pati
sa-
arms? Okay, wait lang. Naka-charge pero medyo grounded yung charger ko ngayon. Kaya na lang ko yan.
Wait lang, ibaback ko. Ay, you wanna see? Be, dito mo siya papasok, be. Nakikiliti ka na kagad. No, pasok mo up until here. Yan. Nakakiliti ba?
Kuya, ikit na mo.
Bakit naman yung kandal? Hindi niya alam ahente. Nakausap.
Guys, umalis na siya dyan. Nandito na siya.
Hindi ka pala. Lagyan na.
Every 15 minutes.
Tawang-tawa siya. Oh, promote mo. Anong company niyo po? Ferretti po. Ferretti, promote
Ferretti,
Philippines.
Please,
Oh.
follow.
Yung ganitong unit niyo po, how much to?
290.
Oh, 298. 298. Presto if imamay. So, pero may mga installment plan po kayo. Mine 298. 298,000. Presto kung imamay ninyo.
Ako nasa 50.
Ako na dun sa 2. Kasi full body siya, so ipipress even yung sa ano mo. Nangyari dito sa inyo ito.
Paano pag dalawa?
O lahat na nagto mag-ambagan kayo ha.
30%.
Again, 298,000 to ha, hindi pesos.
Ala, sarap sa likod.
Sa likod no, yung sa lower back. O, nakita ko kayo ha, yung mga nakato dyan ha. Again, Ferretti Philippines guys. If gusto niyo ng free massage, pumunta kayo dito sa SMX. Available pa sila up until tomorrow.
Sabi nyo, benta.
Nagdudusto eh. Sino si ano? Oy, be, ano to? Tulugan? Hello. Hello, period.
So, pa may kita.
Si architect tong period? Isa lang siya eh. Siya to? Hindi ko masika. Sino si architect? Hindi ko siya. Si architect to ko yung ano, matanda na ako, hindi ko na kayo kilala. Good night. Be, 15 minutes lang to hindi to 3 hours. Alam ko 15 minutes yung timer nila kasi Yuri, 10 pesos daw si Yuri. Okay. Guys, pa-take note nga kung magkano yung na, ano natin. May mga yan. Oo. And architect ka, like architect or naval architect kasi meron dito kaming organization na chairman yung friend ko. Ano siya, mga naval architects. Oh, si Chris, i-obente kay Chris ha. Oh. Yung one, ay, di. Pwede yung COD.
Lahat ata ng lamig. Parang 20 years na nabuo na lamig.
Ang sarap yun sa likod. Na-try ko na rin yun doon sa kabila. May Europa, hindi ko sure. ALS yung mga nandito. ALS, Monacho, Northman. Yun yung mga companies dito. Oh, 1K. Jay, kita ha, 1K Di, marami-rami na yung may mga 5, may 5, may 1, 1K. Asan siya? Ang alam ko birthday ng mother ni Kurt ngayon. No? Uy, totoo ba kayo? Mind yung model. Pwede na po. Oo, kung ano yung gusto ng puso niyo. Yes po.
Paano ko yung kapag naisip ko
So, sa birthday.
kasi hindi na ako papasukin.
Kubi, walang tulugan ha. Ang sabi lang natin, massage siya. Ay, Kurt Miyuki. Oo, wala tong tulog. Di, kaya nga natatakot ako baka makatulog ka dito.
Ito, tinanong ko siya, ma'am, pwede ba kasi yung ma'am,
Miyuki, wala matutulog ha. Kilala kita. Hindi, parang natutulog na siya. Parang hindi to tama.
Online. Ito kasi ma'am talaga is international. Yung iba ma'am is local.
Ano pag wala ka kayo
Eh, nakatulog ka na.
Yun po.
Sorry?
Kaya nga sa
Tama ba?
I mean, offer.
Hindi, tinulugan niya na tayo.
Kasi event ng series ng pero po, yung office, papasok po, kung sa office, papasok kayo sa kiosk. Depende po kung kayo yun. Ano po?
Di ba grabe siya?
Senior, hanggang 10%. Kasi hindi siya naman pagkain or agamot na 20%.
So, for example, 20% yun. Pag may senior court yung natin, additional.
Sabi, hindi ka na pala center.
Hanggang 10 lang. Hanggang doon lang talaga siya.
Sir, hindi pa siya na-rare.
Okay na po.
Di again, 15 minutes lang to ah.
Pero ito, tinanong ko naman din siya.
Sige po.
Pato siya. So, sure yung isa. Kasi HR namin. Sabihin mo kuya, joke na. Patayan. Kasi maglalabas na yung
Oh, may 4 minutes ka pa.
Pwede pa siya
Ito yun, may timer pala siya. 4 minutes. Tapos ito yung mga yung mga parang pressure points. No?
Ano yun ang pala ito mo?
Pinipilit na lang yan lumaban pero ano ko talaga to.
Sige, sir. Ito kasi, ayoko na bumili ng ganito type sana. Kasi nga,
Hindi, tinulugan tayo, Pi.
yan ka pwede sana.
Guys, 3 minutes na lang. Babangon na to siya.
Pwede nga sa kapatid. Yes,
Para hindi siya umihi. Hindi.
hindi po, kalbag lang po siya.
Para mataba. Hindi na tayo bibili.
Oh, last 3 minutes.
Hindi tayo bibili. Box nila tayo, hindi na tayo bibili. Nakakita niya yung tsura sa... Ano mataba? Sabi niya po sir. Hindi nag-disagree. Tumagri agad.
Oo, para ano.
Hindi nyo last price mo sa amin dalawa.
Oo, pag madaling araw to siya, ano lang.
Pumasok ko pa, hindi pa kayo nag-
Wait lang, may sinasa. Andiyan pa si Yumi.
Sabi namin sa
Yumi, nandiyan ka ba? Press 1. Two and a half, Miyuki.
Basta na, balik kayo. Yun ang gusto. Try lang natin. Baka sakali. Baka
Pwede
sakali.
mo siguro isagad na ano na yun, no, 17.5.
Yumi yung kapatid mo, Be, naglasing. Nakatulog na. Di ba iced tea lang naman yung inom mo?
Or 50. Magkano express mo?
Last 2 minutes. Be, after nyo umidlap tayo mo, full charge ulit ito.
Bumalik ka na. Bumalik ka
Oh,
na.
50. Ngayon na. Ipipigil na namin ngayon. 15.
Oo nga. Yuki, naka-contacts ka? Be? Be, naka-contacts ka? Baka ma-irritate mata mo kasi naka-skip ka.
Sa'yo. Siya yung mali. Actually, nakashoot kami ko. Pero
Kukunin nyo na ang pamam mo ngayon. Ito. Check namin yung bago.
Tulog talaga siya, Be.
dalawa.
Ang isang po nasa ano pa, kukunin pala. Pwedeng deliver na lang bukas or kung tayo
Door
dito.
to door.
Sabi ko sa inyo, nakatulog siya.
Sabi sa Batangas.
Check mo yung bago isa.
Batangas sa
Reserve ka, ikot kami 15.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Sure.
Payroll lang lang kayo.
May isang araw pa siya, tomorrow pa. Pero tomorrow, same lang din naman. And good thing mabait si Sir Andrew. No? Hindi kanya pinatigil mag-live even nakaupo ka to.
Dito lang yung kapatid. Yes po.
Power nap to, Temo. Grabe yung energy nito mamaya-maya.
Ay, hindi ko bagong-bago po yan.
Tulala na siya, Bio.
If you're ready.
Nagbayad nga sila ng buko magkano na sa shop nila.
200.
Kaya hindi ako nagkaroon pa. Kasi
ID na lang sa inyo mga.
ano, 15?
Oh, sabi ni Yumi.
Si Ma'am daw sa kanya. Okay na yung sa kanya.
Pwede na ako pwedeng isa. Gusto mo isa. Siya 15.
Para magulong namin ng mga.
Ano, na-energize ka ba? Kaya mo pa?
Pero i-reserve ko na dyan. Promise, babalik
Sige,
ka.
sige. Sasabalik kayo.
Yes, isa babalik ka. Hanggang Friday. Box isa. Hanggang Friday kayo, di ba? Program natin, paano natin?
Hindi, kung bukas.
4, 3, 2,
Hindi, paano natin ka?
okay. Na-resurrect na siya. Resurrected. Ang ganda. Sarap niyan sa bahay, no? Like every after work. Kasi ba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. energy na uli siya. You good?
Thank you po.
Nakapag-power na po siya dun sa...
Power up na
Thank you
ulit.
so much po, kuya. Bibili po ako ng mga next week.
Well, kailan?
Next week?
Ayan na siya. Full charge na to, Be.
Hi, guys!
15 minutes lang yan. Full charge na siya.
Oh. Thank you po. Salamat po. Kuya, wait lang. Mag-inquire lang ako. Okay talaga eh. Magkano po sa mga ganito niyo, ate?
Ito, ma'am.
Opo.
2.5. May push ka area.
Ito po.
Ito. 4.5. Set na siya, ma'am.
Sige, thank you.
Gusto
Yun
mo
lang.
balik mo kay ano?
Thank you
Or
lang,
pa?
guys. Thank you lang. Bili, ay, ano kuya, kukuha ko nung ano,
Drinks?
yung tinapay.
Ito.
Coffee? Libre yan?
Hindi ko just or food itong ano.
Yung complimentary po sa natin for VIP.
For VIP only. Oh, we should have our VIP pass. I should get one. Si VIP si Miss Carmen. So, dapat
Si
VIP
Miss
tayo. Kaso, hindi na ako nagpa-process nun kasi the
Wala.
difference almost the same.
Wala na yung gusto ko. Kuya, saan mo po binili yung cookies?
Kiss ko yun sa ano?
Cafe France?
Hindi, doon na. Sa may food lang.
Ay, dito na.
May dala ka cash dyan. Ay, dito ka
Ano
naman.
ito yung sa wallet ko eh. Kasi edit niyo doon sa TikTok ha. Gusto ko yung parang velocity ba yun? Tapos yung tugtog yung basta yung pang model yung sinasabi ina ba?
Ito yan siya.
Ayan ako ba? Saan po? Check ko yung mga tag nyo, guys. Basta yung kanta niya, ina.
Di, anong kanta siya?
Thank you, LJ.
Wala nang cookie. Pero may pork plus pa. You haven't tried yung pork plus, diba?
Hindi.
Ito yung cookie. Ito yung pork plus, di ba sabi?
Libre ba ito po?
Ano? Ano to siya?
150.
Bakit?
150. Fish fillet, 200.
Ayaw mo pork plus?
Pork plus na. Wait lang po. Ate? Parang ito na lang pala, kuya.
Wala kang dala po.
Paano ba ito? Ate, magkano po dito?
60 po.
Dito po.
Lahat yan, ma'am, 60, ma'am.
Ate,
Pero yung
wala ka
pork
ng
float.
cookie.
Wala na pong available na cookie.
May cookie pa ba tayo? Enrico, may cookies pa ba? Wala na daw.
Wala na. Pwede na cookie.
Diyan, naglaban ako.
Yung tart mo ba dun sa ano?
May type pa ako.
Please join us for the discussion of AI-powered data collection.
In the Saudi 84 is a summer real life.
Presented by Mr. Gino Villa of Com360 PCE LTD. Happening now at the conference area located at Hall 1, followed by Mr. Alvin Leck of Com360 PCE LTD. For the discussion of data collection using AI, opportunities.
I think so.
Balikan kita doon ng mga around 5. Para at least
Okay.
wala tayo. Double check ko pa kay Miss Carmela if saan tayo mag-dinner.
Okie dokie.
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors. Please join us for the discussion of AI-powered data collection, enhancing accuracy and efficiency.
Grabe naman yan siya si Angel mag-share ng
Presented
live.
by Mr. Gina Villa of Office 360 PPE-LH.
Wala si, ano,
Happening now.
wala si Father Singapore. Ay, ano pa si Father Singapore?
Followed
I'll see you
by
later.
Mr. Aylwin Black of Concrete
Are you okay? Come.
for the discussion of data collection using
Hello.
Ah.
Thank you.
So next time you go.
20.
20?
Yeah.
I am 26.
Bola. Next time got any event?
Reverse the
holding?
26.
Oh, okay.
I'm going 36 next year.
Next time got
Nice
any
to
event
meet
hosting?
you.
Engage her.
I will.
Engage her.
I'll get the number from you.
She can always pass you the number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Later on.
The next time he hosts a lot of events.
Okay.
So next time any event that she hosts, maybe you want to contact you to
Okay.
host the event for you. Yeah, that's
For sure, for sure.
Are you studying?
I'm still studying.
What course?
Nursing. I'm gonna
Nursing?
take nursing. Yeah.
Wow.
That's
Why
my
nursing?
pre-med.
because she likes to look after people. She likes to clean people.
Yeah.
It's going to be my pre-med because I want to be a pediatrician,
Really?
a doctor.
You should have been a flight steward.
Well, that's my course. I'm second year tourism student.
Yeah, tourism.
Yes.
And a model.
Yeah, and I also do modeling and stuff.
Ano tawag yan? Artista.
Yeah, artista. Yes po. Minsan, MM ng artista lang.
So a lot of people come and take photograph with her.
Really?
Yeah, she said, this guy, Miyuki. Okay, come take photograph.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
What's your
po.
name?
Miyuki.
Milky?
Miyuki.
Miyuki.
Yes po.
I thought Milky. Miyuki.
Miyuki. Thank you po.
Okay.
Are you full? You eat a lot?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, visitors and exhibitors. Please join us for the discussion of AI-powered data collection, enhancing accuracy and efficiency and growth. Presented by Mr. Gina Villa. Happening now at the conference area, located at Hall 1, followed by Mr. Alvin Black of Concrete 60 PPE-LH. For the discussion of data collection using AI, opportunity and challenge. Once again, please join us for the discussion of AI-powered data collection, enhancing accuracy and efficiency and growth. Presented by Mr. Gina Villa, happening now at the conference area, located at Hall 1, followed by Mr. Alvin Black of Concrete 60 for the discussion of data collection using AI, opportunities and challenges. Thank you.
Ew.
Just
Singapore. Singapore, China. Philippines later. Where are you from? Which company? What kind of job you're doing? What kind of a job? Oh, you're doing equipment. I see. You are doing repairs, spares, underwater cleaning, safeties, and logistics for the ships. You're not, we're based in Singapore and China, but we do worldwide. All those flags are the port that we have served.
Guys, Curtis with his family. Guys, anong bothered yan sila sa ngipin ko, guys. Sponsoran nyo na lang yung braces ko. Dali. Sige. Hi, Angelica. Curtis out with his family po. Birthday ni Tita. Buti nga, hindi na ako masyado nababother ngayon. Dati guys, hindi nyo ako makikita na nakasmile ng labas ng ngipin. Bihira. Kaya lahat ng smile, pag nagpapapicture sa akin, puro ganun lang. Tapos, or pag tumatawa.
Excuse me. Can I have a balance for the good meal?
Oh,
I'm looking for Mr. Andrew.
Mr. Andrew.
Yeah?
Hi, Mr. Andrew. Chocolate of Miss Tess.
Where?
Today.
Oh, bilis naman yan, ano. Ang bilis naman yan.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Mark. I-ano ko.
You are from where?
City niya.
Guys, fun fact.
Ang dakdik
Nung
na.
因为小钱呢，
nag-audition ako sa Net25,
You want? I can give you.
yung
You have change? I got. I don't
isa
have
sa
$5.
pinaka ayaw nilang ipagalaw sa akin was may sungki. Because
You don't have peso?
I
they
don't have
said
pesos.
na
I
it
bring
makes
more
me
pesos.
look charming and unique. Like when I smile,
57.
hindi siya yung typical artista na perfect na teeth. So, since that, I've been trying to appreciate how my teeth looks like. Kasi super tagal ko na gusto magpa-brace.
294 pesos.
Lagi
Some
ako
I find
puro
pesos.
inquire lang, but di ko siya nagagawa. Because dadagdag pa yun sa monthly expenses ko. Tapos dati before pag nagsismile ako, always ako nakaganyan. Or pag tumawa ako, una kong gagawin is to cover my mouth. So, before you point out something, not even with me, isipin niyo muna if it's something ba na I could change in like a span of 10 seconds or no. And that goes for other people.
Tomorrow? Okay, no problem.
That goes for other people too. If you see something
Tomorrow you come because we didn't bring enough.
and you know that they cannot
unless you want
change
US,
it
I can give you US.
at that moment,
Okay.
just don't point
Okay.
it out.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Can I
bye-bye.
get this one?
Yeah.
They already know it.
Thank you.
Okay.
To call on the attention of Mr.
Oo, balbon ako pero
Erwin Bob and
pinalaser ko na, wala na.
Mr. Yong Hong Yu, Mr. Dong Yong Yu,
Kaya na sad si Kurt nun. Kasi si Kurt favorite niya yung balbon ko.
Mr. Daryl Fernandez, Mr. Edwin Fabia,
Thank you, Daniel.
Mr. Carlos Mendez Leo III, Chief Engineer Dolly Matap, Mr. Haraka Ezekiel Vigo. Please proceed to the conference area. Once again, we would like to call on the attention of Mr.
Guys, mag-end live muna ako. Mag-i-live ulit ako later for sure. Sa dinner na ako mag-i-live, okay? Bye-bye! Check ko lang yung check ko lang yung mga
Mr. Edwin Patia,
check ko lang yung mga tag nyo sa akin. Thank you!
Chief Engineer Donnie Matap,
Tsaka mag-update ako kay Honey Bunch.
Haraka Ezekiel.
Yes, for the memories lang. It's simple lang. It's simple. Don't expect. I mean, syempre, tigil sa tayo. Okay.
Wait lang. Parang anong marami. Thank you. Hello.
Kasi yun yung sa akin. Yun yung sa akin.
Thanks, sir.
That's kind of scares me. Yan lang. Ay, hindi nyo pa nakikita. Tingnan mo yung cuff. So that's yours. This one is mine.
Susunod na natin yan.
Alam na nila sir. Sabi niya. So, ang iinggit ka agad.
Alam nila?
Oo.
Ginagawa yan.
Tapos eto naman. Ito. For your, motivation sa study lesson. So that one, you get one card a day.
A day.
And then you reflect on it. And these are Bible verses.
Ikaw po mo ito.
And then these are like daily motivational advices for studies. We're Bible readers. Get happy, get through the day. Ito pala yun. Ringo, tatawa ka dyan. Tatawa ka rin ang tawa
I
nila.
feel like this is taken away. Base kasi dun sa itong hinawakan mo, parang page na dapat parang may plaque. So, away siguro to. Sabi.
You put it sa desk mo kasi para ma-motivate ka. At ako, may name na
Ngayon, masaya na ako.
It's for the memories lang. It's simple lang. It's simple. Don't expect. I mean, syempre, tigil sa tayo. Okay.
Wait lang. Parang anong marami. Thank you. Hello.
Kasi yun yung sa akin. Yun yung sa akin.
Thanks, sir.
That's kind of scares me. Yan na. Ay, hindi nyo pa nakikita. Tingnan mo yung cup. Oh. So that's yours. This one is mine.
Susunod na natin yan.
Alam na nila sir. Sabi niya. So, nangiinggit ka agad.
Alam nila?
Oo.
Ginagawa yan.
Tapos ito naman. Ito. For your, motivation sa study lesson. So that one, you get 1 card a day.
A day.
A day, and then you reflect on it. These are Bible verses.
Ikaw pa gumawa nito.
No. And then these are like daily motivational advices for studies. Through Bible verses. Can help you get through the day. Ito pala yun. Tingko, tatawa ka dyan. Tatawa kami ng tawa nila.
Base kasi dun sa itong hinawakan mo, parang base na dapat parang may plaque. So, away siguro to. Sabi.
You put it sa desk mo kasi kaya na-motivate ka. At ako, may name na
Ngayon, masaya na ako.
Yes, for the memories lang. It's simple lang. It's simple. Don't expect. I mean, syempre, tigisa tayo. Okay.
Okay lang. Parang anong marami. Thank you. Hello.
Kasi yun yung sa akin. Yun yung sa akin.
Thanks, sir.
It's kind of scary.
So,